Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to change name on Instagram. So let's start. First of all, tap on Instagram. After that, we are on our profile. On the bottom right, we can find our profile icon. Just tap on this, and after that, on the top right, you will find these three lines. Just tap on this. After that, tap on this account center. Tap on your profile over here, and again tap on your profile. And over here you can find his name. Just tap on this, and over here you can rename your profile. I'll rename this. You can see I have renamed my profile. Then after that, just tap on save, and that's it. Name is successfully updated. That means we have successfully renamed our Instagram profile. So in this way we can change name on Instagram. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.